Dependable service. DependableService.com.
Hello everyone, my name's Joe, the service manager with Dependable Service Plumbing. Just want to kind of show you guys one of these plumbing systems we just put in a condo. We're in a mechanical room right now, which we have a 30-gallon electric water heater that is being fed from an 80-gallon heater to give more storage for this master bathroom. We have what's called a Kohler digital thermostatic mixing valve. It's new technology, and the way it works is it's got a digital interface, and you will be able to individually feed on this model a rain head, a handheld, and a shower head, and it can be pre-programmed however the client wants it for comfort. Paired with this DTV, we have what's called a Kohler steamer, so the client can enjoy a steam shower in their nice, beautiful shower that was just constructed. They'll be able to take a steam bath, use the Kohler DTV technology, and will not run out of hot water from the extra storage. So we thank you, and if you have any other remodels going on, any custom or just any service work or anything you have, give us a call here at Dependable Service Plumbing. We'll take care of you.
DependableService.com.